Hey guys, it's my Dollops. Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the DJI Spark intelligent battery for the Spark. As you saw the previous video, my DJI Spark crashed. It's in replacement now, so it should be back anytime. So stay tuned because I'm gonna do a drone review, and I'll do some nice videos for you guys on the drone. So stay tuned for that. So as you can see here, it's an intelligent battery for the Spark. Just a normal battery, and it has the DJI logo down here. So no plastic wrapping apparently, just slide it open. When you open it, you're gonna see this flap. Just pull it out. Nothing else in there. Just a normal black box. And yeah. And I think, oh yeah, so here you just try and slide it open. Oh, this is quite hard actually. So when you open it, you have a guide for your battery. It's translated in 2 different languages. It just shows disclaimer and warning in other languages. Yeah. Oh, what's here? And it shows you how to turn on the Spark. So let's just move this to the side. Here is the Spark battery. You just pull the flap open, and there you have it, a Spark battery. Ooh, I wonder how to get this out. Okay. So when you open it off the box, when you pull it out of the box, you'll see this protective film. You're just gonna pull it out, charge the battery for the first time to activate it, power on and off. So you basically, I know how to turn them on because I experienced flying the DJI. You just, and then hold the gate. That's on. Quite simple. The slides to open it. And same thing. Yeah. And if you are curious to see what else is in the box, just foam and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Remember to leave a like and comment how I can improve to make better quality videos. And stay tuned for new videos. I might start to do daily posts. Remember to subscribe and like. Thank you.